Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a column chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a column chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. So first of all, enter the data. So next you just need to click on the insert option. And in the insert option, you will see an option called chart. You can see here chart. Click this. Now you just first of all you just want to select the cell, so I just going to select the cell, then just click on the chart. So now you will see an option here. The first option is column chart, clustered columns. You can just change to stock columns and 100% stock columns like that. And here you will see this option, so which is you just want to have to log in and also have some premium options. So you can just use this rough columns which is actually free, and you can just use it. So first if I just select it and click on the use option, now it has been entered. So now we just need to change the style of this column chart. Click on this element. Here we can just change the quick layout like this. You can just change the layout like this, and also if you just need to change the style of the columns, you can just do this like this. And also you will see this filter option, and also the every settings, like if you just can add a effect like shadow if you just needed, or size and position and fill in line and everything. You can just also have a gradient and color, whatever the color you just needed. For example, just into orange like this, and you can just add more color like this, so it's look like gradient. This is how you just create a column chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped. Do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.